destruction. Climate change have worsened because of us, because of the simple thought of our existence. It's scary how we can contribute to the worsening impact of climate change without us even knowing. But now is the time to open our eyes and be aware of our actions. Educate yourself and other people. Use your voice to speak up and spread the word. Take action and lessen your carbon footprint.
Blah blah blah. This program are always so lame. What can go wrong with me just throwing some garbage on the street? And these pictures of those so pollutions in such a far place for me. So I don't have to worry.
A few moments later.
June was crossing the street while having a bag of trash with him.
Why do you have to throw trash for my class? Oh wait, there's no way I would cross such a far distance to throw the trash to the trash bin. I suggest let it here. There's a bunch of trash already, so no need to be afraid of vandalism.
Wow, is that a big hat, man?
Nonsense. I am Earth, and I'm here to educate you about ways to go green.
I don't need that. Thank you, Peter Widow.
Hear me out, kids. If you do not start changing your mind and attitude right now, you'll have to regret it.
Why?
I will tell you why. Right now, we are facing a man-made disaster at global scales. Time is running out. The amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is now 50% higher than it was in 1980s. And not only we are piling up carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, we are also eradicating the forest, the green lungs of the earth. And deforestation seems to speed up that process. The smokes are choking up fresh airs, and the soil is being spoiled. All of these are changing the Earth's climate, causing disasters to happen more often, and leaving behind bigger havoc. The ozone layer, which protects us from the harmful rays of the sun, is also disappearing so fast. Nature is calling for our help, and also the Earth. Humans are using more and more land for urbanizations and industrialization. Each house and cities being built, each hectare of soils is spoiled and corroded. And these problems are life and death problems. They go to the root of abilities of the earth and humanity itself.
So what's what I used to go green?
Ride your bike to get there. Ride your bike everywhere. Or walk. If you don't absolutely need to take your car, don't. And lastly, recycle, recycle, recycle. Pop bottles, paper, tin cans. Those blue bins at your school aren't just there for decoration.
Carbon dioxide emission pile up, man-made disaster, global scale, eradicate, deforestation, spoiled, havoc, urbanization, corrode, life and death problem, viability, vandalism.
Question number 1. How can we protect the environment? Simple answer. We only have one planet on which we live. So it's our moral obligations to adopt following practices and safeguard our Mother Earth. Step 1. Stop using bottled water. Step 2. Conversing electricity or finding alternative energy source. Step 3. Using less petroleum products. Step 4. Buying fresh organic products such as vegetables. Step 5. Replacing plastic bags with reusable bags. Step 6. Saving every drop of water. We should remember that a baby step from all of us can make a sea change in the environment. We want to continue with question number 2. What are the causes of environmental pollution? There are many motives behind pollutions on Earth. Here are some most common causes.
Humans' activities, such as expanding cities, discharging industrial and household waste, clearing forests, overexploiting natural resources. Natural changes of the Earth, like rotation around the sun, activities of lava in the cores of the Earth. But most importantly, it is humans that make a huge adverse impact on the environment. Question number 3. What do you consider to be the world's worst environmental disaster caused by humans? I personally believe that the loss of biodiversity is the worst repercussions that humans have ever done to the environment. Firstly, it is evident when certain species disappear suddenly due to the human's impact, like poaching or destroying the habitat. The food chain and ecological balance will suffer consequences. For example, some creatures feed on species that are about to die out, which can lead to a chain reaction of a larger demise. Secondly, the loss of biodiversity means that the future generation might not have the opportunity to observe and appreciate the rich ecosystem that we have nowadays anymore.